Hey guys, so sometimes if you're a heavier rider like me and you have a pair of trucks, the bushings might slip out and it can end up ripping and damaging the bushings. So what you can do is, if you want to stay in the orangutan family, you can change them. So here I put some nipples and this is ready to go for me. Or if you want them to turn more, you can also get the knuckles. It has like a gun drop shape, so it will turn more than the nipples. Well, so that's a way for you to solve this problem.